So I got a leak again. See that plug right there? That's like the third time that thing went out. So I don't know why it does it, you know. But we're gonna have to turn the water off and change it. Turn the water off. And so I turned the water off. This is what I use right here. It's like 10 bucks. Whoops. The water falling on me. It's called water heater. I call it a plug. I don't know. I guess you call it a plug. So this is the new one. I'm gonna put that one on there and see what. Hopefully, is it the same size? It is. Okay. I have to get my wrench. So I'm gonna try some tape this time. So supposedly you gotta do it like counterclockwise, right? I was using that glue stuff, not the glue, but that paste they gave me before. It seemed like it wasn't working. Well, he says counterclockwise, so we're going to take this old one off. The water just comes out really fast. Come on, baby. Ooh, that thing was very hot. It's very hot inside. And I'm hoping with this thing will just better the tape, you know, because I was using this. This was like 2 years ago. Everything they make nowadays is just junk, in my opinion. Nothing's ever lasts forever, you know. Back when I was a kid, they made everything big and it would last forever. Now it's rush to make that money, but they don't give you great service, you know, product. I don't even know why I have to be changing these things every, 6 months. Doesn't make sense. Alright, so hopefully it doesn't leak again. I don't know. We'll find out, huh? This thing doesn't even last too long. You know, it's the old one. But anyways, here you have it, you know. You have to make sure you remove this cover too when you take it off. This thing goes in there like this, you know. You should just snap in there. And then you turn the water heater on and it should be good to go, but I don't see any water. I don't know, hopefully it doesn't leak, guys. So anyways, that's the water heater repair. Thanks for watching.